What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but welcome back to the Passive Income Trucker channel. The last couple of weeks, I've been doing a major kitchen remodel and took vacation in the middle of that and all. So anyway, we're back at it and making the videos. And in that time period, though, I did continue to send out my emails with my lead gen secrets and Digistore 24, but I completed the case study with Digistore 24 and didn't turn out all that great, so I'll be showing that. And I went back to Clickbank and showing the results of going back to Clickbank. So my name's Curtis, aka. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go to Digistore 24 right quick, and I'll show you my results there and why it didn't do so well as far as I'm concerned. I'm not sure why, but it just didn't do like it should have. It'll log in here. We've had some storms come through, so my internet might be a little slow today. But I figured I'd go ahead and try to get this video done and get it out there so y'all can see and know I'm still around, still working on this. And it's still spinning here. Alright, well, while that is trying to load in, we will go ahead and go to Clickbank and see if I can get that to load up right quick. Shows the results from the last I think it's 2 weeks that I went back to Clickbank and actually got a lot better results real quickly. Like I said, why that is, I'm not sure, but as you can see, I've got 3 sales here since the 25th of June, and there's actually one more below that, but you can see right there, 621, 628. I'd made those right there. And in the last couple days, these 2 sales here. And let's see. Yeah, right there. Right towards the end of the month, I had 4 sales for $98. And then currently I have 3 for $61. And my emails are running right now as far as my lead gen secrets goes. But we'll look at the reporting right quick. And we got, let's see. The only 2 I've actually, well, I've been promoting 3, but the main 2 is, the right apps and the social paid. That's where I've been getting the sales from, as you can see right here. 34.31, and then one for 13.73. But we're going to look at the tracking IDs, and don't let this confuse you. These are all the same MLGS. This one's just got right apps review in front of the MLGS, so don't worry about that. And I know you see nothing but zeros up here, but that's not going to report anything. It's just reporting what's showing as far as my emails are working right now. So, but we're going to go to the My Lead Gen secret track quick and log in. Now I have 7 of these accounts, as most of you may know if you've watched any of my videos. But let's see if Digistore will go. That's still not wanting to log in. All right. We'll log into my first one here. I've already sent the emails out for today, but I'm just going to make a brief run through of this. If you're into affiliate marketing and you need leads that ain't going to cost you an arm and a leg every month, like using solo ads and Facebook ads, Google ads, and all that, this system here, I recommend it because it's cheap, it's easy to do, it's copy and paste. Costs you $60 to start it up. That's a $30 fee for the first month, and then a $30 setup fee. After that, $30 a month. It gives you 100 leads per day for that $30 a month. Now, if you daisy chain yourself or somebody signs up under you, you get up to 200 leads every 24 hours per day to send out emails to. As you can see, I've done sent out this one for today to 50,600 leads. And we're going to actually add up my leads right now and figure out what we're sending out. So 50,600. And we'll hold that there for now. But if you want, you can go ahead and I'm just going to open up this. This is the one I sent out today. Just a short little email with the link and a picture. So we'll go through how to do that. You'll go in your mailing system. Select all. So it picked up the 50,600 leads. This is my oldest account I've had since the 1st of October. It's not done the greatest, but it ain't, it's done something. So now that email I sent out earlier today, you can see it's right there. All I gotta do is hit load here. But what you would want to do is take like the Clickbank account you have, go to the marketplace. See if this will load like it should. It wasn't loading earlier today. And it's going to take a little bit. So we're going to, anyway, this was the subject line right here. I just copied it and pasted it in. I actually added a little bit to that subject line, and here was the body that I just copied and pasted in. And you use these short codes for the first name. They're all right here. I would suggest just use first name because nothing else is really going to make any sense. And you hit your perfect timing. After you copy all this in, put your name in, put a picture in if you want. And the way you do the pictures, I'll show you, is like at the end of your signature, just do that. Click on this picture icon and go to like Facebook or anywhere you've got a picture online and copy the image address and paste it in here. Like this one I'll show you. Let me see. Hang on just a second. I will pull one of the pictures right quick. It's easy to do. It just helps personalize the email a little better, so that's why I do them. Well, that's going to be slow too. I apologize, guys. This thing ain't won't act right because of the storms right now. But anyway, you got your link here. You see, I still got 11 hours before I can send out my next email. And I also apologize if I sound like I'm talking through my nose. I did catch a little bit of COVID a couple weeks ago, so looks like that crap's running around again. But anyway, let's see. All right, we got the 50,600 there. And once you get all this done, there'll be a preview button down here at the bottom. And maybe tomorrow's video, I'll go ahead and show y'all how to do all this really quickly, really easily once you get the first one set up and ready to go. That's good. Let's log out of this one, log into the second one. It's going to be pain in the ass. They don't even want to log out, right? Yeah, see, Clickbank still ain't doing it. Anyway, the gist of it is, I left Digistore, went back to Clickbank. As you can see earlier on my dashboard, I did make some money fairly quickly after I come back to Clickbank. I only made like $64 or something on Digistore after 30 days. So, and like I said, I'm up to 61 this month. I had 98 in the last week of June. So, what the difference is there, I don't know, but you know, I'm gonna stick with Clickbank and keep sending out emails on it. I've been changing up the emails a little bit, hopefully getting a little bit better results. But if you want to continue watching and keeping up with what I'm doing and following what I'm doing, please do so. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever I upload some new channels. And if you get value out of the video, give it a thumbs up. I'd be greatly appreciated. And I appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.